Hello dear student, welcome you back in this physics video, and in today's video we will learn about the properties of vectors addition. As all of us we are known about that vectors cannot be added as a simpler algebraic mathematics. So there are the certain rules by which they are going to add or subtract. Okay, so as we have already discussed about that those laws of addition. So triangle of vector addition, parallelogram law of vector addition, polygon law of vector additions, already we have discussed them. Now here we are going to study about that properties. So very first property, as there are the three addition property, one it is said to be commutative property, while the second it is over here associative, and the third it is said to be distributive property. So we are going to learn them one by one. So first it is that vector addition is commutative. So what is the meaning of this one? So we will take the meaning as well as we will take the proof of this one. So meaning of this one, that if we are going to add two number and if we changes their order, so the sum will not change. ठीक है, क्या बोला गया कि 6+5 या आप 5+6 करें. ठीक है, तो जो सम है, जो टोटल है, वो चेंज नहीं करेगा. ओके, सो सिमिलरली इट हैपन्स इन द केस ऑफ द वेक्टर, दैट इफ वी आर हैविंग द टू वेक्टर, सो इट इज a plus b, or either you are right over there b plus a, so both have the same result. Okay, so therefore this is said to be commutative. Once again, commutative means if we change the order of the number, the sum will not change. Okay, it will remain the same. So now we are taking the proof for this one, that how we can prove it. That's a plus b is equal to b plus a. So for this proof we are taking the help of triangle, sorry, there's a parallelogram law of vector addition. तो parallelogram law of vector addition में क्या कहते थे, that two adjacent sides of the parallelogram are completely shown in magnitude and direction by the two vectors. So here we are taking that a vector and b vector, that are the two vector which are completely showing the two sides, adjacent sides of the parallelogram. So over here this is the common point to them. Okay, so the diagonal of this parallelogram will give us the resultant. Now let us to complete this parallelogram. First take the parallel of this line over here. So with the different pen I'm going to use, so it is the parallel line to that a, and take the parallel line to this b vector. Okay, so thus we have completed over here, this is that parallelogram. Okay, and that resultant of this, it is given by that diagonal of this parallelogram. Okay, now over here that the order I have taken that one, and so let me to give this one as a name. It is here a, here it is b, and here it is c. Okay, so this is that we are having parallelogram. Okay, now let us to take this triangle which is OAB. OAB. Okay, so OAB, what you will find over here, so you will find, just to hide this one only, and we are having OAB. So according to triangle law of vector addition, if two vector taken in same order are completely representing in magnitude and direction the two sides of a triangle, then the third side which is taken in the opposite order will be the resultant. Okay, so thus we are having over here that for this triangle OAB, we have used using triangle law of vector addition. Okay, so what it says, that if two vector are in same order, so they will be added and it will be to the third side of the triangle which is in opposite order. Okay, so thus we got over here, this is from this triangle OAB. Now let us suppose over here this triangle which is OCB. So triangle OCB, this is another triangle OCB. Okay, so in this triangle again use this triangle law of vector addition. So we will observe over there that if I will hide this one side, so here it is only, so here you will once again find that we are having, it is b vector, thereafter it is a vector, so both are taken in same order. Okay, so if they are in same order, so they will add together. So according to this that triangle of vector addition, so we are getting here the first vector it is b and the second vector it is a. So therefore it is b vector plus a vector. So both are in same order, but this r vector is opposite to them. So therefore the sum of these two will be equal to that third, which is the opposite order. So it is r vector over here. So thus we obtain there. This is equation number 2. But in the two equation you will have the same resultant. This r is common to both of these triangle. Okay, so therefore in first and second r is same. Okay, so therefore you can put the value of 1 into, and we can have from first and second a plus b equals to b plus a. Okay, so if you change the number order, so the result will not change. So therefore it is said to be that vector addition is commutative. Now let us look for this. Vector addition is associative. Vector addition is associative, so this vector addition it is applicable for three vectors. So we are having over here a vector, b vector and that of c vector. We are supposing that these are the three vectors. So for them this associative property, how we can define? So here it is, we are going to add first a and b, thereafter we will add this c vector to them, or either that we are adding this b and c first and later this a vector to them. Okay, so this is that associative property. Means to say over here 6 plus 5 plus 7, or either you will write over there that it is 6 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, so it is defined for the three vectors. So now we have to prove over there that this is left hand side is equal to right hand side. So for this purpose, let me to suppose that I'm having polygon law of vector addition. Now I'm going to use, because there is more than two vectors now, so therefore polygon law of vector addition. So first over here it is that first vector. Okay, here it is a vector, so its initial is o and its final is at a, and there is another vector which is the b vector. So its initial at a and its final at b. So as we are known over there, they are going to be in same order. Okay, and there is the third vector. This is the third vector, so it is the c vector, so its end is at c. Okay, so these are the three vector which is arranged in same order. Okay, so over here if we will look that uh, what will be the resultant of this triangle? This is that triangle. What will be the resultant of this triangle, which is of OAB? Okay, so if we will find that the resultant of this triangle, this will be which is taken in opposite order. So here it is in opposite triangle. So triangle OAB using this triangle law of vector addition. Okay, so it is triangle law of vector addition we are using over there. So we will find that it is that a and b are in same order. So a and b are in same order, so which is equal to this third one. Okay, so which is of ओ बी वेक्टर. सो ओ से बी की तरफ इसकी डायरेक्शन है, इसलिए ओ बी वेक्टर लिखा. ठीक है, सो इट मीन्स दैट दिस कैन बी रिटन एज ए वेक्टर प्लस बी वेक्टर. दिस इज दैट रिजल्टेंट वेक्टर ओवर हियर, दिस ओ बी. Okay, so this is your first, you can make it as your first equation. Now the next thing that here you will find that we said that first to add a and b. ठीक है, पहले क्या करना आपने ए बी को ऐड करना है. ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने ए बी को ऐड कर दिया. नाउ वी हैव टू ऐड टू इट दैट सी. ठीक है, तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के साथ हम वर्क कर रहे हैं, तो अब क्या करना है, इसमें सी को ऐड करना है. तो सी को ऐड करना है, तो इसका मतलब हो गया हमारे पास ये ओ बी वेक्टर के साथ अब किसको ऐड करना है, बी सी वेक्टर. तो ट्राइंगल कौन से बनने वाली है हमारे पास, तो ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास, अब ये ट्राइंगल हमारे पास है. दिस इज दैट ट्राइंगल विच आर शेडेड नाउ. ठीक है, so this triangle is going to be done ट्राइंगल OBC। तो ट्राइंगल OBC में आपने क्या करना है, यूजिंग ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, तो वेक्टर एडिशन को यूज़ करना है। सो दस वी विल हैव ओवर देयर जो हमारे पास क्लोजिंग साइड होगी, यानी कि क्लोजिंग साइड जो थर्ड साइड है उस ट्राइंगल की वो अपोजिट ऑर्डर में है। बाकी ये जो हमारे पास OB वेक्टर और BC वेक्टर दोनों क्या है, सेम ऑर्डर में, तो इसलिए हमारे पास क्या हो जाएगा, A+B, this is OB vector and thereafter it is C vector. Okay, so we get over here that it is OC vector is equal to A vector plus B vector plus C vector. Okay, so this is the left hand side of this equation. Okay, so we have taken this one in such a way. Now let us to work on that right hand side. तो राइट हैंड साइड में क्या करना है आपने, बी वेक्टर और सी वेक्टर को फर्स्टली ऐड करना है और फिर उसके बाद उसमें कौन सा वेक्टर ऐड होता है, ए वेक्टर, ठीक है। सो देयरफॉर नाउ ऑन द सेम प्लेस आई एम गोइंग टू डू दिस सेकंड कैलकुलेशन एज वेल। सो हेयर दे आर सेइंग दैट बी और सी को ऐड करो पहले, ठीक है। तो हमारे पास क्या होगा, बी वेक्टर ये है, सी वेक्टर ये है, तो ये बी वेक्टर और सी वेक्टर ट्राइंगल की दो साइड, तो जो क्लोजिंग साइड होगी वो इस तरह से ली जाएगी। दिस इज द थर्ड साइड विच इज़ टेकन इन अपोजिट ऑर्डर, तो ये अपोजिट ऑर्डर में आएगी, ठीक है। तो जब अपोजिट ऑर्डर में आएगी तो जो ट्राइंगल है हमारे पास, दिस इज ABC, तो ट्राइंगल ABC में आपने क्या किया, यूजिंग ट्राइंगल लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन किया, ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन। ओके, सो नाउ व्हाट वी ऑब्टेन फ्रॉम देयर देन, तो हमने ऑब्टेन किया कि हमारे पास ये जो AC वेक्टर है, A से C की तरफ जो वेक्टर है, ये ट्राइंगल की थर्ड साइड है जो अपोजिट ऑर्डर में थी, तो ये किसके सम के बराबर होगी, जो हमारे पास सेम ऑर्डर में ली गई थी। तो B वेक्टर और C वेक्टर आपस में क्या थे, सेम ऑर्डर में थे। ओके, सो दिस इज AC वेक्टर। नाउ वी विल फाइंड दैट वन। अब हमारे पास ये वाले ट्राइंगल, क्योंकि हमें क्या करना है उसमें ए वेक्टर ऐड करना है, तो इसलिए किसके साथ ए वेक्टर ऐड करना है, जिसका रिजल्टेंट क्या बन रहा था, B+C, जो रिजल्टेंट आ रहा था, तो इस ट्राइंगल का रिजल्टेंट था B+C, ठीक है। इसका मतलब ए में हमने क्या ऐड करना है, AC, तो A और AC दोनों सेम ऑर्डर में, तो इसलिए इस ट्राइंगल का रिजल्टेंट कौन बनेगा, OC, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द रिजल्टेंट ओवर है ऑफ दिस ट्राइंगल, ये जो शेडेड पार्ट है। सो ट्राइंगल OAC using triangle of vector addition. So what it says, that it says over there that this OC vector will come out to be, क्योंकि थर्ड वेक्टर अपोजिट ऑर्डर में है इसलिए दोनों वेक्टर क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे। तो दिस इज ए वेक्टर प्लस बी, सॉरी, दिस इज ए वेक्टर प्लस बी वेक्टर प्लस सी वेक्टर, क्योंकि हमने बी और सी को फर्स्ट ऐड किया, उसके बाद ए उसमें ऐड हो रहा है, ठीक है। सो नाउ दिस इज द राइट हैंड साइड ऑफ द इक्वेशन, ये हमारे पास क्या बनी, राइट हैंड साइड है, ठीक है। सो यू कैन टेक ओवर हेयर, दिस इज योर राइट हैंड साइड and initially we have done this is our left hand side. So you will observe that in both of these equation that OC vector is common to them. It means that implies left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, so thus we have proved over there that this vector addition is associative. Now the third property over here, vector addition, is distributive. So simply to say over there that if we are adding the two vector and we multiplied it with any real number, so this real number will simply multiply inside the bracket with both the vector. So it is lambda A vector plus lambda B vector. Okay, so this is over there that distributive property. तो जो हमारे पास रियल नंबर है वो इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट दोनों वेक्टर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करता है, तो इसलिए एडिशन में ये जो ब्रैकेट है वो आप एक्सपेंड करते हो तो ये डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव एडिशन बनती है। नाउ लेट अस टू नो ओवर देयर दैट द कंडीशन व्हेन दिस रिजल्टेंट विल बी जीरो। Okay, when the resultant will be zero, so that condition we want to know. So simply to note over there, as we said in the triangle of vector addition, तो triangle of vector addition में क्या करता था कि दो वेक्टर सेम ऑर्डर में लिए तो हमारे पास जो थर्ड जो साइड थी उस ट्राइंगल की, दिस मस्ट बी इन अपोजिट ऑर्डर. Okay, so thus we will have over there resultant vector will be the sum of the two vector which is taken in same order. Okay, if all of these will be in same order, अगर ये सारे के सारे वेक्टर सेम ऑर्डर में हो जाते हैं over here, this is that. Okay, so all the vector are now in same order. So if all are in same order, then sum of all these vector will be 0. ओके, क्योंकि ये किसके इक्वल होते हैं, वो साइड जो अपोजिट ऑर्डर में थी, बट देयर वर नो एनी साइड विच वाज इन अपोजिट ऑर्डर. ओके, सो दस वी ऑब्टेन्ड ओवर हेयर दैट दिस देयर द रिजल्टेंट इज 0. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next. In the next we will have the discussion regarding to the subtraction of vectors and much more to come. Thanks and have a good time.